in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Beauty Forever. Today's unit goes by the name of a natural 13x4 kinky straight lace front wig, and she came in the color 33B. This unit comes in 14 inches all the way down to 30 inches. I was sent the 24 inch. The densities that are offered for this unit are normal density and luxury density. I'm not really sure which one I got, but I'll make sure to have it down in the description box below. The cap construction of this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. With that security band, you can adjust it and or remove it if you choose to do so. As I stated earlier, this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, and from the looks of it, it does look like it's a true 13x4. If this is your first video of mine, the reason why I'm saying true 13x4 is because sometimes some 13x4s are what I would consider compact 13x4s. So it's like the 13x4 is basically right here in the middle, and then on the side, it's like you get a half of inch, if that, worth of lace to hair ratio. But again, this one looks like your standard 13x4 lace frontal. As far as the cap sizing, on the website it says 21.5 to 22 inches, which is their average cap sizing. But yeah, those are pretty much all of the specs that I want to talk about right now regarding this unit. So let's go ahead and install her, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Beauty Forever. She's a banger. You need her. In the video. No, but in all seriousness, this unit is beautiful. As stated earlier, this is a kinky straight unit, which means it's supposed to mimic 4B, 4C hair blown out, and I feel like it does that to a T. This unit is very full, and the quality of this hair is amazing. I say that because seeing as how this is a 4B, 4C mimicking style type of unit, you would think that the hair would be a little bit more coarser than what it actually is. No, this hair is extremely soft. Like, I'm surprised. I'm surprised because, of course, not only the texture, but also seeing as how this is a colored unit, I can't lie, expecting it to be a little bit dry and brittle, but no, that wasn't the case at all. When I first took this unit out of the package, it was pretty soft, but then, of course, I decided to shampoo and condition the unit, and I'll have the shampoo and conditioner that I use linked down below. I feel like it made the unit even softer. While washing the unit, I had very little shedding and tangling. The only time I really got some shedding was after I plucked the unit. Now, this unit did come pre-plucked, but I felt like it needed a little bit more plucking, so that's when I attached it to my mannequin head and went to plucking. I don't have any footage of me plucking because, as I've said before, I'm not the best plucker. I'm still learning how to do that, but I feel like I did a pretty decent job with this one. Earlier I spoke about the length of this unit and told you guys how I have the 24-inch. When all of the hair is straight, I want to say it stops about at my waistline when it's all pushed to the front. When it's all pushed to the back, it stops right above my bottom. But when the hair is curled and pushed all the way to the front, it stops right below my breast. And then when it's pushed all the way to the back, it stops about mid-back. Speaking of curls, I took this 1.5 inch curling wand to do the curls in this hair, and I feel like it came out so pretty. With the hair in the top, it's giving me Little Mermaid, Poison Ivy. I don't know. It's just really cute though. As far as the fit of this unit goes, I would say that she's big head friendly. I was able to adjust the straps in the back to make her tighter, which is a sign to me that I would be able to wear my twist underneath this unit. I really don't have a whole lot to say about this unit. Like I said earlier, she's a banger. You need her, point blank period. All of the information for this unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. I typically always comment back. I might be a little bit late, but I'm gonna comment back. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.